So I have school kids here. So you're from which school?
We are from Loris, the School of Excellence.
Hi, hello. So you can say your name to my subscribers.
So, my name is Ikranam.
My name is Brinalika.
My name is Joel Benson.
My name is Pranav.
My name is Meda.
Hi all. So what is this stall about?
So, our stall is about voice controlled wheelchair.
Okay.
It is especially designed for neuromuscular, the people who have neuromuscular problems.
Okay.
Um,
It is hard for people with diseases like neuromuscular diseases and spinal cord
right.
injuries too. And like the disabled people can't, like few people can't even really control a traditional joystick or the can't have a person around them always
Correct.
to move the wheelchair and all. This is a really good idea because we can just give a command with our voice. We in an app.
So it works automatically.
it works through voice.
In this, we have used components like Bluetooth module and Arduino Uno motor driver.
Okay.
We can run this device through Bluetooth, and we should connect through phone. And this runs with the remote, and through voice terminal. Voice terminal with commands like simple commands like move forward, move backward, move left, move right, stop.
Okay. Is it
Simple.
working now?
Yeah, we can't because
Okay.
adapter is not.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, sir. These are the dynamic toys made out of trash. They're based on sustainability. We have repurposed modern junks into useful products such as these. They are based on the science concepts of simple machine and the conversion of motion. We have used two kinds of simple machine, lever and wheel and axle. Let us understand about lever with the pecking sparrow. When we pull and push the drawer of the matchbox, the sparrow bends forward and pecks on the grates. So the pull and push on the drawer is the effort, the sparrow is the load, and the fulcrum is the card which holds the sparrow. To understand wheel and axle, we have the moving footwear. Here, when we rotate the crank, the footwears move to and fro. The crank acts as the axle and the footwears act as the wheel.
So I have another school kids here. So let's talk to them. So tell me about your school. What is this project?
Hi sir, we are from Loris School of Excellence and I am Mokshit Verma. I am Arjun.
I'm Tapasya.
I'm Lasya. I'm Samantha.
This is Karthik.
Hi, sir. Hello.
I'm Kartikan.
So like here we are here with a project called Smart Chef. So this project is all about we have here three touch sensors. One is to the set the flame, either it is high, low, medium, and one is to select the count of whistles as per our wish, and one is to reset the whole process.
Okay.
And we have here two features. So now I'm going to tell you what is it about. So like we have one sound sensor. This sound sensor is all about like in our homes, like we cook dal or anything or like rice. We have pressure cookers. Like when pressure cookers are like in flame, like if they are set to like 3 or 4 whistles. If they are more than that, like they will blast or they'll get burned. So like this is the prevention of that. So like we can set here like if we want 3 whistles, we can set 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, here one servo motor will be there. This will like turn and turn off the stove. Now I'm going to show you one example. Like this one is about like flames. This is one flame sensor. Now when flame comes to this sensor, now you can see that the sensor is moving here, which means that it detects fire, and when fire comes, it turns off. And now another one is like gas sensor. This gas sensor is about like when LPG gas or like cylinders leak. When they leak, like the servo motor which is there, which is attached to the cylinder, that will turn like cut off the supply of the gas cylinder. Now I'll show you one more demo. You can see the motor here. You can see that it is rotating here. So like this is like this helps in preventing more like prevents damage more. That's it.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.